Hello everyone, this is Shujoy from 7 Boats Academy. Today we will learn how we can understand the customer's psychology or a human psychology through a tool named Crystal. So that tool helps you to understand your customer personality or your prospect's personality in LinkedIn. So let's check out how we can do that. First you have to download the extension of Crystal. Like you have to search with Crystal Chrome extension and you will find here the Crystal link. You have to click on that link and here you will see the add to Chrome. Here I already installed that extension, so there is an option of remove Chrome, so I don't have to click on it, and already I have installed. So let's go to any LinkedIn profile, so you can check any profile's personality here. Suppose this is my profile, and you have to come here, and here is the thing. In the right side there is, you can see the view personality tab. So if you click on that and see, there is some suggestions is there, like how to communicate with that person, what type of persons he is, and what there is a do's and don'ts, what you have to do with that client, what you don't have to do. And next you can see a lot of option, like if you want to call me call Shujoy makes a sales pitch, you have to remember this thing. Or you can, if you want to do a cold email to the to Shujoy, then you have to remember these things. So there is a lots of ideas fetching from LinkedIn by this tool. So you will get a fair idea about that person's personality, like this. So in this way you can do a good you can find out a very good client for your product or services. So thank you so much, and please like and subscribe, and do hit the notification bell for more update. Thank you.